morning. It is Quokka Day. I've been looking forward to this day for months. Bright and early, we are heading from Sydney out to Katoomba and the Blue Mountains overnight. So stay tuned.
It was a little more than an hour west of Sydney to get to Katoomba, where the Blue Mountains National Park is located. But about halfway there was the Featherdale Wildlife Park, where Allie's new favorite animal, the quokka, is located. If you've seen our previous Australia video, you might recall that we visited the Australia Zoo right outside of Brisbane, the link for which is down in the description below.
One thing that we found notable between both Australia Zoo and Featherdale is how interactive they encourage you to be with the animals. Just beyond the ticket window, we found ourselves immediately in the red-necked pattymelen habitat, where they were eager to eat their breakfast right out of your hand. Pro tip, if you do visit, go early in the morning when they're still hungry. By afternoon, they tend to be sleeping and kind of out of sight.
From there, it was more of the beautiful creatures from the land down under.
Along with many others.
But then there's this guy. He might have some issues.
But now it was time for the main event.
Quokkas are in the macropod family of marsupials, along with kangaroos and wallabies. These little cuties are about the size of a house cat, vegetarian, and generally nocturnal. They are native to Western Australia, namely Perth and Rottnest Island. Initially, they were mistaken as a large rat when they were first discovered. Typically, they are social and have little fear of humans and other animals, which is adorable, but has left their population vulnerable. The friends I had the pleasure of hanging out with at Featherdale are Lucy and William and their daughter, Pistachio. Needless to say, I was all smiles for the rest of the day after this long-awaited encounter and, of course, the obligatory quokka selfie. Also, National Quokka Day is September 14th, in case you want to mark it on your calendar.
Our first stop was Scenic World, which is a park within the Blue Mountains National Park that features a series of gondolas and nature walks. The very first thing we checked out was the Scenic Skyway, which seemed to be the most popular attraction in the park. It was about a quarter-mile across with about a 900-foot drop beneath us. Another popular attraction within the park was the Scenic Railway. It was about a 1,000-foot distance and about a 52-degree slope, although the video does not do it justice. The Scenic Cableway was a nearly 1,700-foot descent.
We are on the rainforest floor in the Blue Mountains, and it is beautiful. It's super windy up top, but down here is all we hear is the birds. Scenic World is located in the heart of the Jamison Valley. Its scenic walkway under the rainforest canopy allows you easy access to see and learn about the native flora and fauna, some of which dates back to the Jurassic era. We literally stumbled upon Australia's very own Jurassic Park. There are not a ton of accommodations to choose from in Katoomba, but we found an adorable boutique hotel called Lilienfels Blue Mountains Resort and Spa. We welcomed the warmth and coziness of this beautiful estate after a long, busy day. We said hello to Sir Fred, the ambassador teddy bear for over 18 years, took a breather, took in the gardens, and then set out to explore the Katoomba Night Walk.
Katoomba Falls.
If you wait until 7 or 8 p.m., you get it to yourself. It's lovely.
There's nobody here. Once the Scenic World crowds have gone home for the day, you truly have the entire park all to yourselves. Nothing but the sounds of water and wind.
I'm not a morning person, but getting up for sunrise has some incredible benefits. We enjoyed the luxury of the Three Sisters all to ourselves early the next day. And now we are headed to Minnehaha Falls to check that out.
We discovered Minnehaha Falls through our research of best things to check out in the Blue Mountains area. It was about a 1-hour loop from the car park, and it did not disappoint. The walk follows along the creek for a while before opening up to a beautiful waterfall.
A little chilly. It's not feel like spring or summer.
That wraps it up for Katoomba and the Blue Mountains National Park, but not before we were able to squeeze in one last hike at the really cool Knapsack Viaduct just outside of Sydney before returning back to the city. Coming up in our next video, we fly from Sydney to Queenstown, New Zealand, and start an 11-day road trip from the South Island to the North Island.